Guys, how you doing? I'm delivering packages, but we still can push a barrow and do the work. How is there? Load me up, load me up, load me up, load me up, load me up. Load it up, Guys, how you doing? We're there here, we're up on the work site. We are going all our strength, we are putting the work for the day. Speaking of work, guys, we're on the delivery trail. We are your friendly shipping company that brings the package here to your yard when you're doing a construction work. We bring your packages here, we get them delivered to you. You don't have to worry yourself, you can stay with the workman, then make sure say, you know, you see what them do, you learn the work yourself too, you know. You see what them do, you don't have to worry yourself when you're going to leave your yard to any place to pick up any packages. The packages come straight to you. So guys, we're here on the delivery trail. We're in capital city, Kingston, on the delivery trail, delivering your packages. Alright, now go back, go push another load of dirt. So me catch you guys later. Remember guys, there's a link somewhere here. Click on the link, join us today. We might not come on your work site and push a barrow, but we are going to allow you to ship your packages from overseas. We are going to take them, deliver them to you, straight to your doorstep here in Kingston, JA. Or if you're in St. Catherine, if you're not in those areas, don't worry yourself. We are going to send your packages down with Knoxford Express. Alright guys, I'll catch you later. I'm going back on the work. Give me some power and give me some strength. Sign up, join us today. Alright? Later guys.